Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to choose Sound over here and click on Vibrate for calls. Now select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Now you can click on Shortcut to prevent ringing and enable or disable this option by clicking on this switcher. If you wish to set up Vibrate, just click on it. Now you need to go back, scroll all the way down and click on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibrations to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!